Attorney General Dorcas Oduor says she is yet to receive communication from the East African Court of Justice following a petition filed by Bunge La Mwananchi demanding justice for victims of displacement during flooding and anti-finance bill protests. Oduor, who was at the Sheria House for an open day Saturday, says her office is ready to represent the government as the legal advisor should they be required to do so. This comes as the East African Court of Justice directed key government officials, among them Interior CS Kithure Kindiki, Nairobi Regional Commander Adamson Bungei, to respond to a petition filed before it within 45 days over claims of police brutality, among other human rights violations. Here is our reporter Abdiaziz Hashim with the details.
Barely days after the East African Court of Justice issued orders for senior government officials to respond to a petition filed before the court, Attorney General Dorcas Oduor says her office is yet to receive any communication from the Arusha-based court.
We have 45 days that the judges have clearly stated that the Republic of Kenya has to file a substantive response to the allegations that have been put forward by Bunge La Mwananchi.
Speaking during an open day of the public at Sheria House, the AG Dorcas Oduor stated that her office is not yet in receipt of the petition filed against high-ranking government officials who have been accused of crimes against humanity during the 2-month-long Gen Z protest.
Yesterday, as you are well aware, Kenyans, especially state officials, high-ranking government officials, have been sued at the East African Court of Justice. Has that case reached, given that the Republic of Kenya has been given 45 days to respond?
Today is a Saturday, and I'm yet to check on my desk. But whatever is required of me as the Attorney General of Kenya, I will do it. And whatever I do, just be assured that it will be in the public interest.
Dorcas says she is, however, ready to represent the government if the matter is formally brought to her office.
You're confirming to Kenyans that the Attorney General will defend the state officials at the East African.
The Attorney General will do what the Attorney General is required to do under the Constitution, and will make sure that whatever the Attorney General does is in the public interest.
In the court's direction, former IG Japhet Koome, Interior Cabinet Secretary Professor Kithure Kindiki, and Nairobi Regional Commander Adamson Bungei are among those required to file the responses on a petition before the court.
We have also put in an application for the indictment of 5 individuals that we believe that bear the greatest responsibility, so that they are individually held culpable.
Speaking after presenting an affidavit of their service at the Arusha court, Bunge La Mwananchi, led by their president Francis Awino, expressed confidence all victims of police brutality and forceful evictions during flooding will receive justice.
Then we have the public trustee.
Meanwhile, the AG stated that she will focus on ensuring that the judiciary works harmoniously with the executive arm of the government.
Obedience of court orders. The law requires that we obey court orders. As and when an occasion arises, I will urge everybody, not only the executive, everybody and all of us, to obey court orders. If we find that they are difficult to satisfy, we have an opportunity where we can still go back to court to ask them to review.
Abdiaziz Hashim for Legends Edition.